Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to this week's small group video tutorial around the title of Jesus being the Servant King. And here we see Peter making a few sort of fundamental mistakes, as Peter was prone to do, about who Jesus was and what his role was and would be in the future. Peter understood some of the story, not all the story. And that's probably true for all of us. So hopefully there's something here for you to learn today about how to understand Jesus and his role as your personal saviour and as the saviour of the world. So in this passage from Mark 8:27 to 38, and then also from Matthew chapter 16, we see Peter firstly being highly commended or praised by Jesus for recognising him as the Messiah. And then almost immediately following that, we see Peter being rebuked by Jesus. So why did this happen? Why was Jesus so complimentary and then so critical of Peter? That's the first question. So following on from that, what was it that Peter recognised in Jesus that we also need to recognise? And what was it that he didn't yet recognise that, again, we also need to recognise? And in today's sermon, I talked about being a Friday Christian or a Sunday Christian, and in fact the need to understand the unbreakable link between what happened on Good Friday and what happened on Easter Sunday, and our need to understand and also incorporate into our lives and into our theology both events. Moving on from that, what does the term servant king mean to you? What's it mean to you that Jesus was a servant and that he was the king, that he is the King of Kings, but he also was the servant, the suffering servant, a man of sorrows? And a really good passage to look at both aspects of Jesus' character is Philippians 2:5 to 11. So I would encourage you to do that. And then just finishing off, question 5, why is it important to understand both these aspects of Jesus? And perhaps the most well-known verse in the Bible, John 3:16, just encapsulates both aspects of Jesus, being the king, being the servant. So have a chat about that, and have a chat about perhaps which you're more prone to lean towards out of those two aspects of Jesus, and what it is that you need to learn and embrace and then to incorporate into your life and into your discipleship walk with Jesus. I hope you have a really good study, and I hope this is helpful. Thank you.